What's up, guys? My name is Derek Archuleta. You probably know me as Because Camber on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, head over to Instagram and follow me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. I'm going to be talking about in this video mostly about what I've done to my car over the last 3 years. And this is going to be a vlog slash content channel about my car. So let's get straight to it. Okay. So I made a list. I'm going to speak to you guys in order from where I started to where I'm at right now. So I bought the car 3 years ago. I ordered parts maybe within 3 weeks of having the car. I spent maybe like just $2,000 or so, but it wasn't that much at the moment. Springs and struts, lights, wing, visors, and fog lights. Beginner's move. Varstone wheels. I really liked them, but honestly, equipped wheels, work equipped wheels they're so nice. Then I added a rear lip and a front lip later, and then I cut my fenders and I painted it blue. After a while, Nato's Instagram, I'll tag him right below. Follow him. But I traded him for his stock fenders for my cut fenders. And then I really did like him, but he liked him too as well. And honestly, I thought I was just gonna eventually cut those fenders, but I ended up going with the wide body kit and putting him over. But you'll see that video later on. And then his brother Alex had a set of Baziras, Wed Baziras. I don't know how to pronounce them honestly, but I was interested in buying those. And he had a set of Alex Z's at the moment too, and that's when I first got into the car scene. And I saw those wheels and they were just perfect wheels. I knew I wanted him, but he didn't want to sell them at the moment. So I was gonna buy the Baziras, and then maybe like a week before I was actually gonna buy him, he hit me up and said, "Hey, do you just want to buy the Alex Z's?" And I just jumped on it and said, "Yeah, might as well." So I got those from him. Thank you. Then I needed a better ride ride quality, so I ordered coilovers, some BC coilovers. Then I painted it. I painted it Merlot, the maroon color. And then maybe within like a month, I say, of having it that color, I ordered a C-Bond carbon fiber hood, placed that on it as well. I changed my front lip and my side skirts. I bought side skirts, Mugen, and I painted those to match the car. Then I knew I wanted to bag my car, but I just wanted to use the struts off my BCs. So I thought it would be a quicker and faster way, but honestly it just took forever. It got done, but it just took a long time, maybe like 2 months to get all this done, 3 months. But I ordered brackets from UAS. It took them about, I say, a month to manufacture them. And then they sent them to me with a bag as well that was for those brackets. Placed them over my strut. It worked out fine. They just couldn't make the rear bag to fit over the rear strut for the RSX. I guess it's just unusual for them to do that. But I couldn't figure out somebody that would just sell me a rear set of bags, so what I did is I just did research maybe over the next month or so. I found out AirTech, so I hit them up, asked them if they could either sell me a set or build a set off my rear struts, and they told me we could build them, just send them over. But I just asked them if they could just make me a new set and try to get them to me as fast, and they did, and thank you, shout out to them. Then after a moment, I just got picky with the Merlot. I still had some body work that needed to be done, but it wasn't satisfying to just see it that way. I buffed it out and it looked nice, but I just saw little dings and dents, like BB gun dents, but it's just, I don't know where they came from, honestly. So I decided to just paint it again, and I just painted it back to blue. Honestly, I was pretty stuck on blue. It's one of my favorite colors. And then that's where I kind of stand at the moment. And in the future, you guys will be seeing my wheel rebuild process, some vlogs about that. My body kit installation by Anointed Arrow, shout out to them. I'll be painting my car again. Shout out to William up in Albuquerque, Premium Impressions. I'll be taking my car to him to get painted, and I'll be doing vlogs about installing my headers, my motor mount, and restoring my trims, engine bay tuck, building my engine hopefully by the end of the year. And you guys will be getting vlogs from me going to Vegas now in April, I believe the 11th, and content basically about day-to-day activities here and there. I won't be posting a lot of it, but you will get those. But that's all I really have to say at the moment. Just please subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Just trying to make sure that I've told you everything I have to say. Thank you once again for watching. God bless, be safe. Later.